In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect a range in Google Sheets. This is a great way to prevent accidental edits, keep formulas safe, and control exactly who can make changes to key parts of your spreadsheet while still collaborating with others. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can set it up confidently and know what each option means. Start by selecting the cells you want to protect. Click and drag to highlight a specific range, or select an entire row or column if that's what you need. Take a moment here to make sure you've highlighted the exact area you care about: totals, formulas, or any critical data that shouldn't be changed. You can always adjust the selection later, but it's easier to get it right up front. With the range selected, right-click on it and choose Protect Range. This opens the Protected Range panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see an optional description field. Adding a short note can be really helpful for you and your team, something like budget totals, do not edit, or locked formulas. It makes it clear why the protection exists and helps avoid confusion. Next, it's time to set permissions. Click Set Permissions to decide who can edit this range. You'll be able to limit editing to only you, allow specific people, or keep it open to everyone. If your goal is to tightly control changes, choose the option that restricts editing. For teams, Custom is especially useful. Select Custom and enter the email addresses of the people who are allowed to make changes. Double-check each address for accuracy and only include collaborators who genuinely need edit access. If someone just needs to view the data, they don't need to be included here. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Done to save the protection. From now on, anyone not on the allowed list will be blocked from editing that range, helping you maintain accuracy and consistency. You'll still be able to edit it if you're included as an editor, and you can always return to the Protected Range panel later to update the description, change who has access, or remove the protection if your needs change. That's all there is to it. Select your range, protect it, set the right permissions, and save. With these settings in place, your most important cells stay safe while your team continues to collaborate smoothly.